Hey guys, today we are working on a 2012 F250. Came in here with the car kept going into a limp-in mode. What was going on is put the scanner on it. The scanner pulled up the code B10F1, which came up key in ignition. A bad key in ignition grounding problem. Well, I guess the guys already had it to another garage, and they went through the whole trouble codes. They cleared all the codes out, charged the guy for it anyway, for no reason to fix anything. They didn't fix nothing. All they did was cleared the codes. Well, anyway, it came here, same problem. He moved the key up and down, and the lights would flash off and on. So we knew that it was communication. It was having trouble communicating with the body control module. And what it is the key starts to get wore down. These little tangs inside the key started wearing down. And you just have to replace the ignition switch is all it is. The tumblers start going bad. And the key, you put the key in. Somebody had all these keys hanging on there. They had them all hanging on there, and over time, 120,000 miles later, it wears out. So what happens is you pop these 3 screws out here. Right there, 1, 2, 3. Pop that off. And way up underneath here, there's a little button. It's facing backwards. There's a little button you push, you turn the ignition on, push the button, and release the ignition switch and put a new one in. And that's basically all you have to do to fix it. I'll show you what the old one was. Right here is the old one. There's the button right there. You push it up with a pin, a punch pin or a chisel, whatever you can get up in there, a punch chisel, and just replace the key, and that fixed the problem. This was going in there, making communication error. It was just moving up and down really loose. All the tumblers weren't working right, and so he paid some other garage a whole bunch of money to do nothing. And all we did was replace that, and it fixed it. So 2012 F250 with a code B10F1. It says key and ignition problem. Just replace the tumbler. It's at Ford. It's like $80 or $90. They actually have to build it, which we built ours. But they'll build it for you. You take the key with you to the Ford dealership, tell them you need it. They'll order it. They'll rebuild it for you. And all you do is just take out those 3 screws at the bottom. Take out the 3 screws underneath. Right there, 1, 2, 3. They're all Phillips. Pop this bottom cover off. Well, you probably need to take this off too. It just pops off. Take the bottom cover off. Get your little push pin up in there. Push that. Turn the key on. Turn the key to the on position, like right there. Turn the key to just the on position right here, just to on. Push that button and pull the ignition out, and put the key in the new one. Put the key in the new one and push it back in. And then put it all back together and clear your codes. Either unhook your battery or just do it through your scan tool. Either way, that should fix you up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or email me at advancedbackyardmechanics@gmail.com. You guys don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.